we're going to do a visual condition report, so we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. First thing to note, this entire car is wrapped in PPF paint protection film. So wherever there's gloss, it is just standard gloss PPF. And if it's matte carbon or just matte black, it has that matte PPF. So I'm going to go through the car and notate all of the places that have it. Pretty much 99% of this car has PPF on it. There's a couple little pieces on the back and on the top here that don't, but everything else, like I said, fully protected. So full front clip right here on that flat black, all of that's done. The entire hood, all of the trim in here is fully done. Carbon has it. Headlights, full fender, that trim, even the marker lights have a smoked film over them. That's fully protected in there. A-pillar, entire roof, like I said, the entire fender, side mirror, upper section here, lower section, and all of this. Now if you get here on the top side, they did not do that, but basically where a rock could hit it, it's fully protected. Entire door handle trim and the inserts, entire lower rocker here, all of this is fully protected. That trim, entire quarter, all of this is done. The only piece that does not have it is this. Everything else, carbon and all, fully protected. Quarter's done, back bumper here, tail lights even have it, and so all of the gloss black paint has it, that whole section. And then you have it in here where rocks can hit, and then you have a line right there and down. So this trim piece does not have any film. That does not have any film. And this upper section does not. And then you don't have any on the underside of that diffuser. But from here over, all of that is fully protected. So really just this kind of diffuser area and that little trim does not have it. Everything else completely protected. Looking at the wheels, the finish on these are insane. You kind of have to see them in person. I feel like it's doing a pretty good job in camera though. It's a very unique finish. Pilot Sport 4S's, the Michelin's, date code 2025. I'm gonna scan through the wheel. Looks incredible. Nice and clean. Center cap looks good. Carbon ceramics look amazing. Got the H&Rs. Looks good. Fender looks perfect. Carbon looks good. A-pillar looks awesome. You got the dark window tint, and then you have a tinted front windshield as well. Side mirror looks good. All of this looks incredible. Date code 2025. These are 325, 25, 21s. Wheel is absolutely perfect. And here on the back bumper, you do have a tiny snag in the film. It is impossible to tell if it did anything to the paint, but it looks like it's just there on the surface on that film. So if you just replace that little section, that would be perfect. Looks incredible. Scanning through this hood. Got the built-in radar system. I'm going to try to get underneath this thing. It is very, very low. You do have a little rash right there. So you're going to have rash on that front splitter, but nothing is visible walking around the car yet. So I'll go around the whole car again, just so you can kind of see that. So that is inches off the ground. Okay, so right here, this is probably 4 inches off the ground walking around. And you're not going to see any of that rash. I mean, this is, like I said, the camera's just a couple inches or so off the ground. Have a tiny little bubble in the film. Wheel looks perfect. This car so far is just mint. Paint looks incredible. I don't see swirls or anything like that. I'm sure this car has been fully ceramic coated as well. Let's get underneath it. Diffuser's perfect. I don't see any rash. All right, looking at the interior, it is a non-smoker. Absolutely gorgeous. Smells brand new. Love the red accents. Got all the carbon. Incredible car. Carbon on the door, upper section. It's perfect. Handle looks amazing. Nice and clean. Really nothing to pick apart there. Got the light on the ground. Full PPF here in this jam as well. All of that's completely protected. And it looks amazing. Looking at that seat. Looks good. I know it's dark in here. You have the tinted front windshield, so it doesn't let as much light in. But looking out the Alcantara, nice and smooth. I really don't see any flaws on that. Upper side of the dash looks amazing. perfect. Like I said, the jam's completely PPF'd, full PPF on that entire thing. All the way into that jam right there. Alright, looking at the door. I don't see any scuffs on the carbon. Looks perfect. And the lower side. Looks amazing. Got the light here. Trim looks good. Full PPF in this jam as well. Goes all the way in, all of that completely protected. Looks incredible. Looks amazing. Floor mat looks good. Seats are perfect. I don't see any flaws. Carbon looks good.